Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first video like this, so we'll just see what happens. As many of you know, I have a couple different Saab cars, and I'll be working on another one here over the next couple weeks, so let's head out and take a look. Here it is. This is a 1985 900S. This is a two-door hatch. I bought this car just a little bit over a week ago from the original owner, who's local. So of course he's had the car for the last 35 years. So this is the S, so it's not the turbo. I know Saabs are famous for turbos. It wasn't exactly the car I was looking for, but the overall condition is pretty good. That's what really sold me on the car. Let's take a look around the outside. So everything's in pretty nice shape. These cars have a tendency to rust at the wheel wells and at the bottom of the doors. This car's good on the passenger side. It will need a little bit of attention here on the driver's side. And then there is a little bit of rust starting to happen here on the door as well, so that'll need to be addressed. Now the original reason that this car was for sale is that it's not running. So that's kind of the main thing that really needs as well. Another neat thing about this car is that the interior is just in great shape. So the dashboards tend to go on these cars, and this one is indeed cracked, but it's not terrible. We can work with that. Otherwise, the carpet and the controls and the dash panels in pretty nice shape. It has cloth seats, but again in wonderful shape. There's just no wear on the bolsters. Pretty nice and clean too. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Fold the seat back. So the back seat's pretty nice and clean as well. Just need a little bit of cleaning and freshening up. On the inside of the car, the main thing this will need is the headliner starting to come down. And so is the sunshade cover. So that'll need some attention, but the sunroof does work. So I can take care of that. In pretty nice shape for a 35-year-old car. Now the owner did say that this car was garage kept, so that might explain some of it, but still. These are kind of strange doors. The latch is on the back, and then it's a very metallic sound when it closes. So going around to the back of the car, so first thing you might notice is this wing right here, which is almost like foam. It's kind of squishy, very strange. It also has a power antenna and some vents here on the side, which definitely look like they open into the car, so I'll have to explore that. I don't know if they do or not. We will find out. When we open up the hatch, one thing about this car is the opening is enormous. It's almost comical. It's just a huge opening for a car. But the parcel shelf is here, a bit faded, but not bad. Down below, the spare tires here. And then this isn't all rusted out. That's nice and solid. And the toolkit is here, which I'll try to open. So this folds down, and I believe everything's here and it's all in great shape. Nothing's been used. This is another neat part of the car, is the way that the hood opens. So the latch is here. You kind of have to push the hood down and pull forward. And then the hood comes up and you just pull it forward out like this. And then you just reach up on the back. Kind of strange. So this will need a good cleaning, and we'll refresh all the parts that need refreshed. I know I have a couple things to pull out and send off to be rebuilt. But we'll go through everything, make sure it's all in good shape. And of course, make it run. That's the main thing. Well, there you have it. That's a tour of the 85 900S. So a couple projects going forward just in the near future. First things first, while it's on the driveway, we'll give it a good cleaning and start polishing the paint, see how it looks. And then we'll roll it back into the garage. I have to take some of the parts off the engine to send off to be rebuilt. So while they're off and I'm waiting 4 to 6 weeks for them to get back, I'll start going through everything else that I can and probably give this interior a good cleaning and maybe start working on the headliner. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Thank you.